Hey guys, it's Alyssa with WTI. This case and holster from ENCASED is a beautiful set. It's crystal clear so you can see the color of my phone, and it's wireless charging capable so I don't have to worry about taking my case off. It's also compatible with my pop socket, and the magnet is really strong. The case has a really slim profile and is not heavy at all, and even the holster is really lightweight. The clip works really smoothly, and I love that I can face my screen inward to protect it. The recess around the camera also keeps my cameras nice and protected. I've really been enjoying using this set at work. It keeps my phone accessible but not in my way. The clip on this holster rotates 360 degrees, and even though it is really easy to open, it still feels really well made. And bonus, the clip turns into a kickstand, so you can watch your videos hands-free. I really enjoy this set from ENCASED for beauty and practicality. I highly recommend it. And that's my point of view.